Yeah, we're still a little high. Ignore that warning sign. I'm sitting here talking to you guys on mute. Ignore that warning sign, y'all. Let's go ahead and get our... We're crossing Ranga at 3,000, y'all, by the way. And we're sitting at 3,000. Good, good, good. We'll keep our speed up, too, by the way. Keep our speed up. You say he's been with Delta, then Southwest. After that, craziness there. Yeah, he landed. Yeah, he told me about that 15 years ago, and has worked to be, I say, one of the most experienced captains we have. Just wow, just ride it out, yo. Right, yo. That's real talk, yo. For real, tell him that, yo. For 5 years, get that water, get the water salute on the last flight, then go fly 747. Yo, that'd be honorable, yo. That'd be honorable. Yeah, that's cool, yo. That'd be very honorable. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Really. Yo, what's up, Connor? What's up, Connor? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome aboard there, Connor. Alright, y'all, we about to bring this bird in, y'all. About to bring her in. Alright. Y'all can see we're coming up on our airport right there. Should be to our right, huh? It's over there somewhere. Yeah, I can't see. I have to make this turn, y'all. We're gonna get this bird down to 1,500 feet. Give y'all a quick shot of the airport there. There's our airport, y'all. Not a lot of runway to go with, but that's all good. We don't need a lot of runway with this bird. We're good. 4,900 is good. No worries about that. All right, here's our turn coming up, as you see right there. Across Ranga. All right, we're gonna make that turn. Joshua, what's up, Joshua? What's up, Joshua? Yeah, we're live, man. We're live. Welcome on board there, man. Yo, yeah. This is Friday, so yeah, we're gonna probably try to get a couple up. You know what I'm saying? For sure. I want to save the special request though for tomorrow morning. Yeah, we're gonna knock that one out tomorrow morning per your special request, but we're definitely gonna be getting a couple more up tonight for sure. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh yeah, looking forward to that. Let's go and get her down to 1,500, y'all. Y'all, like we're a little off here. Yeah, let's go ahead and handle this shit, y'all. Let's go. All right, I see our runway right there. Start bringing our speed down a little bit. Take autopilot off. Start getting some flaps down. Go ahead and get our gear rolling down. All right, flaps all the way down there. All right, y'all, let's go and bring her in, y'all.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
All right, folks, welcome.